Using a Visa gift card on Best Buy is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To get started, make sure you have your Visa gift card and know the balance on the card. You can check the balance by visiting the website listed on the back of the card or by calling the phone number provided. First, go to Best Buy's website or visit a store location. If you are shopping online, add the items you want to purchase to your cart and proceed to checkout. If you are in a store, let the sales associate know that you would like to pay with a Visa gift card. Next, enter the gift card information as you would a regular credit card. This includes the card number, expiration date, and security code. If you are in a store, you will need to swipe the card or have the sales associate do it for you. Once the gift card information is entered, the system will verify the balance on the card and apply it to your purchase. If the balance on the gift card is greater than the purchase amount, you will not receive change, but you can use the remaining balance on a future purchase. If the balance on the gift card is less than the purchase amount, you will need to pay the remaining balance with another payment method. This can be a credit card, debit card, or cash. It is also important to note that some Best Buy locations may have different policies regarding the use of Visa gift cards. So it is a good idea to call ahead and confirm that they accept Visa gift cards before making a special trip. Additionally, keep in mind that Visa gift cards are subject to certain restrictions and limitations, such as purchase limits and expiration dates. Be sure to review the terms and conditions of your gift card before making a purchase. By following these steps and being aware of the potential restrictions and limitations, you can successfully use a Visa gift card on Best Buy and take advantage of the convenience and flexibility that it offers.